Hi! Today I will show you how to easily replace these damaged old earpads on your Sennheiser headphones with fresh new earpad cushions. To complete this task, you will need to purchase Sennheiser replacement earpads. The purchase link for the earpads is below the video. To remove the old earpads, grab the edge and pull them off. The pads are held onto the headphone housing with this screw. Remove the second earpad the same way. To install the new earpads, make sure the seam is facing down. Then stretch the edge of the earpad. This will make it easier to put pad onto the headphones. Insert as much of the earpad's edge into the headphone groove as possible. Hold the inserted part in place with one hand while using the other hand to tuck the remaining edge onto the headphone's groove. This task requires finger dexterity, but with a little patience you will get it done. The most important thing is to keep the inserted edge in place at all times. If you don't hold it, it will slip out, and you will keep trying endlessly to attach the earpads. I like the result, it looks great. Now the headphones can be used for years again. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below this video.